Hey guys, today we're unboxing the ROJERDERY H11 LED headlight bulbs. So these are a headlight bulb replacement for your halogens. They claim they're 300% brighter. I love headlight bulbs as a modification for your vehicle for a couple reasons. For one, they're super easy to install. Anybody can install a headlight bulb. You can look up a YouTube video. You really don't need any tools, maybe a screwdriver or something depending on your vehicle. They're very easy to install and there's a functional purpose for them. It's going to add a lot of brightness, so at night when you're driving, it's going to be super bright. You can see better, which makes night driving a lot more enjoyable. But then it also looks super cool. If you see a car with those like old yellowish lights, everybody knows that's like an older, cheap car. The cars that have the bright white lights, you're like, oh, that's an awesome sports car or like a new luxury car. So it's an easy mod, and I've always been a fan of it. So, all right, let's open these up. So in this box here, got a nice kit. Your two bulbs, and since these are LED, they do have a little converter attached to them, so you don't need to worry about your amperage and all that conversion stuff. They have the little box here that does it for you. You're just going to take your old plug it right into there, install your bulb right where your old bulb was, turn on your headlights. So we're going to get these installed. I'll show you the process in my vehicle. It's a 2011 Lexus IS250. All right, so some vehicles are super easy to install these on. My vehicle is actually a little more complicated. There's some stuff you need to remove first, but still not too hard. Some you can just reach right in your engine bay, get to your headlight bulb and replace it. Then I'm going to have to pop a couple covers off here, and then we'll be able to do it. But I'm going to take those off quick, and we'll get this bulb in, and then we can compare both sides, see how different they look, see how much nicer it is. So let's get started. All right, so now that I have these covers off, you look in here, you can see I have access to this clip here, and this is the bulb, so we're going to unplug this clip. And then you just rotate this and then slide it out. So there's the old bulb there. So we're going to take the new bulb and slide it right in there. Then once you have your new bulb slid in, locked back in place, just got to put everything back together. You can turn them on and try them out. All right, guys, you can see it's daytime, obviously, but you can already see the color difference between the original headlight on the right here and on the left, the new bright white LED, which is super bright. So we're gonna check these out tonight, see how much of a difference it makes brightness-wise. But so far, definitely looking pretty good. All right, guys, start this thing up. All right, if you're looking out here, you can see the right side here is definitely way brighter. You see that bright white line, and then the yellowish side over here, which doesn't even have a distinct line here. Let me step outside here quick so you'll be able to see from the front how bright this is. All right, so I have one bulb installed here. You can see super bright, ultra white, and then the old-fashioned kind of yellowish light. Way less cool. I mean, this looks really good. It's that bright white color that you get from your luxury cars and your new cars. So definitely a great look here. So, and it is way brighter. If you're looking out here behind me, the lights way brighter, and there's that distinct top line. So it's not blinding the people coming towards you. So I'm really happy with this bulb. It's really bright and it's high quality. So if you're looking for new headlights, this is a great, easy modification for your vehicle. Make sure you check this out.